Bucket, accessory and screen are in the cases. Then disassemble middle clamp board. Black plywood. Finally, disassemble two pieces buttons. The left and the right plywood. The mounting hardware can be seen now. Take off the film of mounting hardware. Take out the collating chute, top coin, ended funnel and the rake. Collating funnel and the rake. Take off the film. Second step, installation. Put the mounting hardware on platform. Put the vibration shore into main vibrator hole. Make the protruding of vibration shore. Aim at the concave of main vibrator. Tighten the waterproof ring and vibration shore by coil. Then, tighten top coin, vibration shore and main vibrator by screw. Set top coin horizontally. Loosen the locking handle. Make the linear feeder pin, aim at active hole and slanting insert. Push the linear feeder pin to the end of the active hole. Press downward gently. Level the linear feeder pin and tighten the locking handle. Notice, each linear feeder pin should be well installed and has no bump with each other. The number of linear feeder should be matched with the aluminum cases correspondingly. Now, install the indeed funnel and rack on the ground. Firstly, install the rack of indeed funnel by hexangular screw. Fit on the indeed funnel. Then, put on multihead. Tighten them by Allen key. Secondly, fit on one pair of lever sensor. Adjust the heat correspondingly. And set them horizontally. Untie the cable well. Fit the collating funnel on base by screw and fix well. Install the collating chute according to the number of aluminum keys. The bottom of collating chute should be in collating funnel, and the port hook of collating chute should be hooked into the groove of rack well. Right hand to lift the active pole bucket outer edge. Left to open the bucket. And then gently insert the fixed pole of the level edge with the wedge groove. Keep pole at its position. Rotate bucket downwards by the fixed pole to set the bucket horizontally. The V bucket should be installed according to the number of aluminum keys. Install the feed bucket by the way of installing V bucket according to the number of aluminum keys. Loosen one piece hung bolt. Fit on the rack of screen. Then clasp the screen on the rack. Connect the cable of screen and the cable of data output. Work process of multiheads. Put the material into feeder. Adjust the amplitude on operating electricity box of conveyor and speed suitably in conveying. When indeed the funnel is full, the signal from lever sensor is sent to conveyor and stop it. When the material is under the level of lever sensor, the signal from lever sensor to be sent to conveyor and make it to convey the material. Turn on the switch of packing machine. The packing machine sends the signal to mounting head wheel. The mounting head wheel start to work. Firstly, we browse each operation manual in brief. Then, introduce 3 program sets in detail. Enter the program set through touching program set key. The initial password is 111111. Confirm ENT. The parameter can be set according to buyer's requirement. For example, to weigh 100 grams, the target weight set 100 grams. Main amplitude set 60. Linear amplitude set 43. Up and low limit set 1 gram for each. The target speed is 110 bags for 14 head wheel, while 80 bags for 10 head wheel. Touching return key and enter operation interface. Touching run key, the mounting head wheel is ready. When there is much fail keys, it should adjust the linear amplitude accordingly. The average quantity of combined bucket is the most important data to judge the machine performance. Its optimum value is between 3 to 4. If it is less than this value, should touch minus key to decrease linear amplitude. If it is more than this value, touch plus key to increase. Calibration. Select item calibration and enter the password. The initial password is 111111 and confirm the ENT key. It will enter the calibration menu. Select the calibrated head and touch ENT key to confirm. The display will show the original weight of the changing data. Meantime, the cursor will be on 0. Assure there is nothing inside the wing bucket. When the cursor moves from 0 to full, load a standard poise of 1000 grams in weight bucket. Then touch ENT key to confirm. It will be displaying 1000.0 at the weight display line. Enter next calibration head number. And touch ENT key. Do the same process. At last,